I got it. No. Telling me cute how we can handle it, you know what I'm saying? Little, it's small, it's compact. You feel me? Good 10?
Yeah, see how maybe you can see better if you
Yeah, I feel like my sight.
you're squeezing the trigger.
Ow. That's a burn.
Nice. Bring it back lower again. Yeah. To the right.
Alright, y'all. Let's get it popping.
Yeah, go. It is.
Look, Glock jammed. Glock jammed. So we have a failure to eject here. Look, I'm just noticing this when I was about to put the flag in. So when we have this situation going on, we just rack it and it falls out. That.
One more chance.
I want to shoot some more on the still target because this still target just played with us. Don't play with it. Let's put a little some more because he be bad. Still target was just practice, and I'm still getting used to my sight on the Glock 19. On the 19? Yeah, the Glock 19. So give me one more. If I can ping, ping, ping. You know.
Yeah, you got it.
Hey.
Got the keys, cause I come with facts every time. I never been a liar.
I hit it 2 times this time.
Yeah.
Got the keys, cause I come with facts every time. I never been a liar.